Hey everyone, here's our little cold snap in southwestern Pennsylvania. We just drove, 5 miles down the interstate from home to go to lunch, our birthday dinner with our son. And well, this is what happened. It wasn't like this when we went, so this came on pretty quickly. It was expected though, wasn't it?
Yep.
And so if you're going out there today or in the snow, be careful. We were at Linner, and our daughter-in-law called to make sure that our son was okay, because she was at work and somebody told her there was a massive pileup on a highway of trucks, and he drives truck. So she called to make sure he was okay. So the roads are getting pretty bad everywhere. It seems like it's not as bad here. Okay, nice little short video.